You know what? Shirley Temples are like iconic for the 50s. I'm gonna see if you can do like some sort of a light alcoholic version of Shirley Temple. Oh wow. Your first drink at the bar, Leah. A little kitty cocktail.
And then I'll do an old fashioned.
This is like a sweet pineapple drink.
Really? It's got like little grenadine in it?
I do really like it.
Yeah? Thank you so much.
You haven't even tasted it?
Yeah, no, I tasted it. It's really good.
Swizzle. It's really good.
I mean, it's just a Shirley Temple, but
It's like a basic drink, but it's really good.
yeah, it's a classic drink. I love these.
I love
With a little shot of Tito's.
This right here is so freaking good.
How did you like your old fashioned? Hers is actually refreshing for it being.
It's like those old days. It was normal back then.
Yeah. I mean, I don't drink old fashions, but it
It's
looks
not-
good.
It's not too sweet. It tastes kind of like how I make it back at the house.
He was a great bartender, though. Like, amazing. All right. What do you think of yours, Aaliyah?
I really like it.
Yeah. A little kitty cocktail. And look, Aaliyah, they even have characters in this hotel. That's pretty cool. He's so cool. Are you excited to see him now? Do you know how you're going to pose? No? Thank you. All right, now we're going bowling. Yay! have fun bowling, Leah?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, my favorite part was when you broke the machine.
I didn't break it. Dada broke it. It said it had less than a minute left, and he went for it, and it broke.
But it was your turn. It was your turn.
But you couldn't count how many seconds. It could have stopped at any
Counting
second.
in my head. You have like 20 seconds left.
But you decided to wait, and it was still your turn, so it's considered that you broke it.
All right, so now we finished bowling. We're gonna go grab some dinner at the Bayliner Diner here in our hotel and see what they have.
Jasmine rice, black beans, churrasco, and chimichurri, right?
Yes.
And what do you got?
And I got the Brazilian churrasco with the mashed potatoes and the veggie of the day, which today was corn on the cob.
And chimichurri.
And chimichurri. And Aaliyah got a salad because she's still full from our lunch from Volcano Bay. But icy. And then we have our s'mores kit for later.
Oh yeah, over here.
And a chocolate cake.
And yes, their chocolate cake. Which I believe it's... Well, there goes half of my drink. I believe the chocolate cake is like a Coca-Cola cake too. So we're excited.
Honestly, in my opinion, I feel like Cabana Bay, it has so much more to offer. The food freaking is phenomenal. The amenities here is ridiculous.
Top notch. And she said the fire pits and stuff, I
There's-
believe, are 24 hours.
There's so much more to do here
Yeah.
than Aventura. Aventura, the reason we wanted to go to Aventura, it looked more luxurious, right? It looked like it was going to be a 5-star stellar
modernized.
hotel. It looked like it was going to be a great hotel. But compared to Cabana Bay, we were sleeping in Cabana Bay. Cabana Bay is literally the
I was nervous about staying here, I'm not gonna lie, because it's like the videos just don't do it justice. It just looks like a typical 50s diner, but it's so much more than that.
What do you think, Aaliyah? Between this and Aventura.
I'd say that Cabana Bay definitely has a lot more. I mean, I would go out, we would have like a long walk all the way to Universal. But I'm pretty sure over here it'll be much of a shorter walk.
Well, we're across the street now, so we could take the bus or we could walk across the street, but either way, we had a quick walk over to Volcano Bay. Very quick and easy. But the food options here, we also ate the wok bowl at Aventura when we stayed there, and to me, I would eat this 10 times over than that.
Oh yeah, the food here is so much better.
Yeah, it's not just typical diner food. They have diner food like the burgers and shakes and fries and hot dogs, but they have so much more than that. So it's like a whole cafeteria for you to pick and choose what you want.
My favorite part was when we met Ball in the volcano and when we fed the birds the pizza crust.
The fact that there was no wait time with the tapu tapu.
At all.
Nothing. We literally jumped on all rides. Like nothing. We finished Cabana Bay, not Cabana Bay, Volcano Bay in like
3 hours?
3 hours.
And we took our time. Well,
And got lost and took our time
Yeah.
and got lost again.
the only thing I have to say about Volcano Bay is if it's your first time and you don't know where everything is, it's very easy to get lost and turn around. So other than that, I loved it out there.
And you said to bring our towels with us from the hotel?
Yeah, they don't have towels. You can rent towels, but it's for a charge to rent them from the Volcano Bay. So if you're staying at Cabana Bay or any hotel, you just be sure to bring them back. Don't leave them over there at the park. But yeah.
And honestly, we didn't even use the towels.
Uh-uh.
Because Aaliyah had her quick dry sweater. I bought a quick dry shirt from Volcano Bay. And we dried within 20 minutes. We were completely dry.
As we were eating, we were drying. It wasn't...
So you honestly don't need a towel. As far as electronics, I would say put everything in the lockers, right? Unless you're filming something.
Yeah, unless you have your phone on you, which obviously
All you
for
need is
Apple Pay.
one phone. That's all
Yeah.
you need. One phone for Apple Pay and to film, right?
Yep. Photos and stuff for sure. Or if you want to check the map. But any wait times, today there were no wait times at all. It was walk on for literally every ride.
What'd you say? Say it.
Sleep on sleep at Cabana Bay.
There we go.
All right, ready to go get a milkshake?
Yeah.
Look, they're like handmade milkshakes, like the good
You
ones.
got one to share?
Yeah.
Mine just touched fire.
Oh, Daddy's caught his on fire.
Imagine it's still on fire. You're supposed to buy it in your mouth.
All right, Leah, so what do you think of the chocolate shake?
It tastes like a cleaner. It tastes very clean, just like Universal's normal chocolate shakes. It also kind of tastes like what Timmy's chocolate shake would taste like.
To me, it tastes like a. To me, it tastes like a pure like chocolate ice cream, like very smooth.
You can definitely taste it. There's no additives.
Yeah. So good. How is it?
It's good. It's really good.
Yeah.
It's childhood. Look at that gooiness.
Oh, so gooey. How is it, Aaliyah?
Perfect. Up. Smush it down, but not too hard that you're gonna break it, right? So grip it nice and tight. And then remove the marshmallow. Boom. Yeah.
Just a nice toasted marshmallow. So good.
That's delicious.
What do you think, Aaliyah? Messy.
Yeah. Are you messy too?
Mostly have marshmallows.
That's a burnt marshmallow now.
That's the best part. I just feel like grabbing this and smashing it in Leo's face.
I feel like whenever yours is on fire, I just want to like cook mine on it.
It literally looks like charcoal.
This is a roasted marshmallow.
That's not a marshmallow. That's literally
Let's
charcoal. It's disintegrated inside.
Dada, you could have taken that marshmallow and put it in there. So
No one would have known the difference.
You could have fooled people. And they wouldn't even recognize it.
It's really good.
I like
Make
the
sure your
s'mores.
marshmallows come out like a rock.
Alright, so what'd you think of the s'mores?
It was delicious. I feel disgusting.
Yeah, I feel like too much sugar. Sugar overload. What'd you think, Aaliyah?
It was very fun.
Very nice. We have
Perfect way to end the night.
perfect way. Yep, we have the nice fire.
The fire is very warm, but when you're close to it, when you're making your marshmallows, it was very hot.
Yeah. And if you look behind you, we also have the view of the Volcano Bay. Still.
Good night.
Look at that.
Back when all my little ghosts every drop of gold in the ever was a place where the seas and now the ocean soon. I got you, I got it.
All right, guys, that was the end of our Cabana Bay stay. We hope you enjoyed our video and what experiences we did around the hotel, the resort. We're actually not used to being able to have a resort day, so this was a little bit different for us. The rooms were nice. We actually had a exterior entry family suite, so we had the microwave so we can have our own snacks and breakfast. We actually really liked the food here in the Bayliner Diner. It was amazing.
The amenities are crazy here. It's a really big hotel. It's immaculate. It's amazing.
Yeah. The only difference is the rooms are kind of small, like the bathroom area and the shower area. The spacing and there's a little bit small. Other than that, it was a pretty nice hotel. We really loved the Swizzle bar behind us because our daughter could also get herself a little fancy drink, which she really liked. Yeah, Cabana Bay, don't sleep on it.
Yep, so our Uber's outside, so let's go.
All right, we're going to our next hotel.
Don't sleep on Cabana Bay, sleep at Cabana Bay.
Oh, there you go. Yeah.
There you are. Thank you.